And right there guys, as you can see, when I restarted my phone, I got my free VideoStar. What is up guys, in today's video I will show you the only working way to get VideoStar for absolutely free and unlock absolutely everything VideoStar can offer in just a few minutes every time. All you have to do is follow my steps, and the first thing we must do is open any browser and go to this site, itweak.co. That's itweak.co, exactly as you see on your screen. Type it into your browser. When you do load the site, you want to scroll all the way down. As you can see, you have many different apps you can actually get off the site, but we are here for VideoStar, so scroll all the way down until you find it. As you can see, VideoStar, everything unlocked for free. When you do find it, tap on it and it will take us to this page. So now scroll down and find the inject button and tap on it, and now the app will instantly start to download to your device, and that is it. This is the only working way to get VideoStar++. Just follow my steps guys, because I actually have tried this method out many times to see if it works, and it has always worked for me. So I want you to get VideoStar on your phone like I do now. Now it will take us to the next page where we have to complete 2 offers to get VideoStar on our phone. So we complete the 2 offers by downloading 2 apps out of these and opening those 2 apps for 30 seconds each. So guys, just tap to install and it will take you directly to the App Store where you have to download the apps from. All of these apps are completely safe and free, so you do not have to worry about absolutely anything. Just download 2 apps, open them for 30 seconds, and that is it. So guys, as you see, I will download these 2 apps, open them for 30 seconds, and I'll be back with the next step. And that is it guys, so I've opened both apps for 30 seconds each. Now let's just go ahead and delete the apps because we do not need them at all anymore. So why keep them when we do not need them? So guys, now I will restart my phone and I'll see if this actually worked, and I'll be back after I restart my device. Make sure you do this too if you want this to work. So let me just restart my phone and I'll be back in a few moments. And right there guys, as you can see, when I restarted my phone, I got my free VideoStar. The app is completely working and safe to use. Now I can use it as much as I want, to use all the filters, all the effects for absolutely free right on my phone guys. It's the only working way to get VideoStar on your device. So all you have to do is follow the steps I took in this video and you will get VideoStar on your phone guys. So go and get VideoStar for free on itweak.co. The site is itweak.co. Let me know down in the comments if I kept you in any way possible. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.